guys, so now video is about past forever. So today we're going to open the play of the week because this iconic moment I already have a kids and Rashford, so I won't be opening. As you can see right here, this guy is 99 rating, this guy is 99 rating, Obla is 95, Modric 96, Skriniar 97, Fernandinho 94, Pulisic 97, Cortez I'm not sure, I think 93, Grimaldo 95, Nunes 95 if I'm not wrong, and Aurier 92 or 93. Which one do I want? Of course my Captain America, this guy because he's from Chelsea, I want him. And I want maybe this guy, pretty good. Look at that, then I can cross and double touch. Then you have a pinpoint crossing, so amazing. And maybe I want Lewandowski because I haven't had it yet, and especially this guy. Then go Portugal and he's young talent, super sub, so I want him and double touch, amazing skill. So let's give it a try. I will repeat again my target. Christian Pulisic, Nunes, and Lewandowski, and Grimaldo. Alright guys, alright. I'll change a better place and let's just straight away, start the pack opening and let's get it. The first try, I won't go for the 2 try because this pack is actually just okay type because you don't have the player like Ronaldo in a pack. Last packs they have Gravenberch 100 and 100. This pack don't have this type of so let's just go. Hopefully I get my target, so let's go. First try guys, let's go. England, Pulisic please. I think it's Pulisic already. Pulisic, let's go. Christian Pulisic, Captain America, and the first try. That's right man, let's go. Yes, that's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that 100% familiarity because I was playing with him so much. So yeah, that's amazing. 3 targets right now because 1 target's already down, which is Christian Pulisic. So what I still need is Grimaldo, Nunes, and Lewandowski. So please, let's go. Spain will probably be. Who is it? Obla. Oh my gosh. You should give me Lewandowski. Let's go. 1 more try for you guys. And yeah, I will stop there because 3 try is, I think it's. Oh my gosh, I don't have 100 coins. Don't play man, I save coin. I really need to start saving at that. I have so less of thing. Okay. Please man, please another target man, please. Man, another target. Oh! I thought we can open 5 man, so actually I can open only 3. So this video for you guys, I open all player of the week, so that's amazing. The last try, hopefully we can get our target. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh no, not the duplicate, please. Oh, that's a Benzema though. Not too bad man. I thought it's a duplicate and I skipped it. I was almost so angry, but not too bad. Even though I won't be using it because we are facing Chelsea, but at least it's not a duplicate. Then okay, let's just upgrade all of them. Pulisic probably need more because he's very young. Another 100,000 probably. Probably within a lesser one, this one, then yeah, it's probably max already. Blood, which I don't have his future card too. That's amazing. I'll just give him probably 42. This. But I really want the gold portrait guy, man. But never mind, it's okay. That's pretty cool. We need probably two more. I'll just use this one. If you can see Benzema, you already know he have good stats, good dribbling, good finishing. Speed is a little bit low, but acceleration, good kicking power. Yeah, he's decent. But he's a target man, like Cliver type of player. And you have Oblak, this guy analytical, trick, good. Man, this guy can lofted pass, man, and his passing is so good. Wow, he can also place kicking. What the hell? Good kicking power, jump, physical contact. Look at that. And defensive goalkeeper. And my guy, my target, Christian Pulisic. Look at that stats, man. That's just beautiful and gorgeous, man. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this video. I will do more play on the week opening. So I'll see you guys in the next video.